Hello friends, Tony here, welcome. Into this video I'm going to show you a new coding agent, which is this native coding agent, NCA-CLI.com, is Rust native, a single binary terminal first, orchestrate coding agents from the terminal, interactive UI, and you can see is under 20 megabyte of RAM, on the order of 10 times lighter than the Claude Code or OpenCode, far less memory than most competing agents. I'm going to open, I have installed. Now to install you just go to this website nca-cli.com, and here we have the install the NCA, copy this one, and it's available for macOS, Apple Silicon, Intel and Linux also. Okay, you can go also to documentation and read more. We have also providers here, but for now I have opened the activity monitor. I'm going to let's open the warp terminal. Okay, and yeah, here is warp terminal, is almost 300 megabytes. And also I'm going to open the Alacrity. Alacrity is where is Alacrity? It's not here. Yeah, it's down there. Is only 42 megabytes. And for that I have downloaded the Alacrity. When I want to save some memory, I use Alacrity. Now let's use Alacrity also, only the Alacrity. If I navigate the herd example, okay, and open the OpenCode, here is the OpenCode. Now you can see we have OpenCode here, which is 400 megabytes. Okay, if we run something else, just let's say hi here, yeah, as you can see 400 megabytes. And now we have the response, how can I help you? Okay, now let's close this and let's open this native CLI agent. I have installed it. Now I'm going to run just NCA, and here I'm using the open router and the model is all alpha, but just let's see here, where is the NCA? We have Camtasia, which I'm recording this screen, but we have Google Chrome also, Spotlight, Raycast, Activity Monitor, Alacrity. The NCA is down there. Where is the NCA? It's hard to find. We can search here. Yeah, NCA is only 8 megabytes. Okay, and let's say for example just hi here also. Okay, hello, how can I help you? But again, is only 8 megabytes. And for that, if you wanted to use to save some RAM and to use this NCA native coding agent, go and download. And here we have providers. On the documentation we have providers, and supported providers have Minimax, Anthropic, OpenAI and OpenRouter. We don't have local LLMs here, but yeah, if you want for free, to use for free, you can use the OpenRouter. Go to openrouter.ai, create an account, and then here go to preferences and create an API key. After that, so here you can create an API key, give it a name, and then go to models. You can search for free models, okay, or I'm using this OWL, which for now is free. As you can see, $0 for the million input tokens and also 0 for output tokens. Just copy this. Now I'm going to show you how to set up. You also can find it right here. So you need to create in the .nca directory the config.tom file. This is the configuration file used for the NCA. Let me just exit from here. So /exit. And I'm going to navigate the cd.nca. And I'm going to open this with the VS Code. And here, this is the configuration.tom file. Provider, default, we have the open router. You can find it here also. So this is an example with Minimax provider, Anthropic, OpenAI, open router you can have here. Also, if you go to configuration, this is for all the providers. What I have here, I have only for Minimax, OpenAI, and open router. But yeah, you can copy here and you have Minimax, open router, Anthropic, and OpenAI. Now, default, I have chosen open router, and we have the provider for Minimax, OpenAI, and then open router. Here you need to say API key and which is this open router API key, and you need to export this on your, in my example is in the SSRC, export this open router API key, which is going to be equal with the key you are going to create here. Okay, I'm going to show you in a minute. Then the base URL is https openrouter.ai/API model. Copy this and paste it here, or you can choose what model you like, and yeah, optional if you want to add also this here. This is how to set up with open router. Now let me just show you also NVim, and I'm going to zoom it this little bit. NVim SSRC, and here I have export open router underscore API underscore key equal with the key here. And in this way you have the NCA ready to work with the open router any mode that you like. Okay friends, and that's it all about this video. What I wanted to show you, a new native code agent. This is Rust native, is only 20 megabytes of RAM, 10 times lighter than the Claude Code or OpenCode, so far less memory than most competing agent. And just because we are here, let's open, I'm going to open the Pi agent, because also the Pi is light. Let's see now, where is the Pi agent? Here is also the Pi agent, as you can see, is 95, yeah. This one, NCA, is far less memory than most competing agents. Now, if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends, and I'm going to see you in another one. All the best.